Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raeford, Mr. English, and in today's class, we're going to talk a little bit about possessions. That's it. Now, to talk about possessions, of course, we have to remember possessive adjectives. So let's take a look at some examples. First, to use possessive adjectives, it's necessary to use in the sentence the possessive adjective plus the noun. Let me give you an example. My dog is big. So my is the possessive adjective. Dog is the noun. And of course, is big is the complement, okay? So my dog is big. Her cat is brown. Their apartment is downtown. Your English is very good. So these are some examples of possessive adjectives, okay? My, her, their, your. But let me give you some more examples. Now, for I'm going to use the possessive adjective my. For you, your, he, his, she, her, it, its, they, their, we, our. So one more time, repeat after me. My, your, his, her, its, their, our. Well, very simple. For this class, that's it, guys. Remember to do the activities and always use your English. Bye-bye.